Rise to the occasion and meet the new addition, the Rise nesting tables. 1 rise, 3 heights. Adjust from table height to counter height to bar height. Rise in a snap. Hook on the front panels and watch the instant transformation as you match style and decor. Pick your favorite Xylo finish or customize your own. Available in sets of 3 nesting tables or sold separately. Adjust, nest, impress. That's the power of Rise. Rise works with your hub, Zaz, and cubic tiles. Mix, match, and make it yours. From style to utility, select display or function tiles to suit your space and cover your needs. Size to fit 1, 2, or 3 tiles. Rise tables nest neatly and work your way. Modular, adjustable, unstoppable. Rise is ready. Are you? Pick it up high, bring it down low. Adjusts just right.